How to change regions on Steam. Now, this is a very straightforward and easy process on changing your Steam account region. Now, what you want to do is you need to have at least a reliable VPN for you to be able to just easily cheat or just easily change your current country or region in just one click. Now you can go ahead and use any preferred VPN that you want to use and then just temporarily change your region to a different region from your current region right now on Steam. So once you have successfully changed your region using your reliable VPN, go back to your Steam application and go to your profile and then hit your account details. So again, change your current country or region, and then once you have successfully changed it, go to your Steam account, go to account details, and in here, just choose on update store country. Now, once you have successfully clicked this option right here, your Steam account will automatically updated its country region depending on what you have set up on your VPN. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can change your region on Steam.